When you're considering buying from Mindfulness United PT, there are 7 important things you need to know first. This isn't just another company offering run-of-the-mill mindfulness products. Whether you're a seasoned meditator or just starting your wellness journey, understanding the ins and outs of Mindfulness United Thai could make all the difference. The first thing to consider is the company's approach to mindfulness. Unlike other competitors, Mindfulness United Thai doesn't just offer typical meditation tools or apps. They specialize in creating a holistic mindfulness experience, blending traditional meditation practices with modern technology. The aim here is to cultivate real, lasting change in how you manage stress and focus your energy throughout the day. This focus on long-term benefits, rather than quick fixes, sets them apart from other players in the mindfulness space. Next thing, their subscription options. Many companies in this field charge hefty annual fees for what often amounts to little more than guided meditations. Mindfulness United Thai, however, has a flexible pricing model that ensures you only pay for what you need. This means if you're someone who needs a little extra push in certain areas, you can tailor your subscription accordingly. It's not a one-size-fits-all situation, which is a welcome change in an industry that often feels like it's offering the same thing to everyone. The third thing you'll want to know is how their products integrate into your daily life. Many competitors just throw a bunch of content at you, leaving you overwhelmed. Mindfulness United Thai, however, offers an intuitive interface with easy-to-follow programs. Whether it's through their app or their online platform, everything is designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. Plus, their content is organized in bite-sized segments, making it much easier to incorporate mindfulness into even the busiest of schedules. The fourth thing to note is the quality of their customer support. It's one thing for a company to offer a great product, but if their customer support is lacking, it's a major issue. I've tried contacting their support myself, and I can confirm that their response times are fast, professional, and they're genuinely helpful. This level of service is something that many competing companies fall short on, leaving you feeling like you're just another number. With Mindfulness United PT, you're treated like a valued customer. Next up, the variety of features they offer is worth mentioning. You might think that mindfulness products are all the same: guided meditation and breathing exercises. But Mindfulness United PT goes beyond that, with features like personalized mindfulness plans, sleep enhancement tools, and even one-on-one sessions with mindfulness coaches. This is a big step up from the more cookie-cutter offerings that you might find with other mindfulness brands. If you're looking for something that's more tailored to your needs, this is where they shine. The sixth thing to understand is the flexibility of their program. Mindfulness United PT isn't just about offering a set of predefined sessions. The platform allows you to track your progress, set personal goals, and adjust your experience as you grow. This adaptability is key when compared to the rigid formats that some other companies force you into. It's all about helping you grow at your own pace and allowing you to adjust as your mindfulness practice deepens. And finally, the pricing model again stands out here. Not only do they have a more flexible subscription plan, but they also offer a free trial, which is huge. You can try out the full experience without any upfront cost and see if it really works for you before making any financial commitments. It's a level of transparency and confidence that a lot of competitors simply don't offer. So, if you're serious about integrating mindfulness into your life and want something more than just another app or guided meditation, you need to check out Mindfulness United Thai. Click the first link in the description to get the best free trial for the software and access some exclusive benefits you won't find anywhere else.